Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is July 17th, 2026, and this is some of our cucumber harvest here. Now, these are grown in the greenhouse, and they're grown in hanging baskets, and some of them are growing in just regular containers. But this is probably, I'm trying to think, how much did we get off so far of?
This would be 15 gallons of them so far.
So, well, we got roughly about 15 gallons of cucumbers off of our plants so far. And our favorite variety to grow is the tender green burpless cucumber. That is an heirloom, open pollinated variety. We do have some other varieties that my dad tried out this year, but the tender green burpless cucumber is still our favorite one. That one there, I've never had them ever get bitter, and it gets really hot in the greenhouses. So, the tender green burpless cucumber has a very thin skin to it, and it's really great for making pickles out of, because the juices can absorb in through the skins a lot easier than some of the cucumbers that have the thicker skins to them. So this is your tender green burpless cucumber right here. This one right here is a different variety. I'm thinking that's the pickle variety. My dad had tried some different ones out this year. But what we're noticing is these here, they're not, it's harder for the juices to absorb in through them, so it's taking longer for those to actually pickle. And these right here, the tender green burpless ones, these are really good for eating. They don't have those spikes on them or anything like that. And like I said, they're really super sweet. I've never had a bitter one yet, and we've been growing them for years. So these right here are some of our peas, and we got a lot of pickings off of our peas. I have 2 bags here. They were the last of the peas that were taken off and harvested when it really started getting super hot out in like the upper 90s. The vines started not producing like they should, and the peas started kind of getting more tough for the shells. So we did take the plants out, and we replanted other stuff where the peas were growing at. So these are going to get washed and nipped then, and they're going to get blanched. And we got a lot of harvest off of our peas this year, and they're super sweet. Some varieties did better than others, but overall we're very pleased with how well they did. And we have another batch here of cauliflower and broccoli. You can see some of these edges here were starting to go on the cauliflower, so it was definitely time to take that off. We're trying to keep up with everything right now. Starting yesterday, we were code red for our air quality, and now today we're code purple. So we're not going outside. We're trying to just get our stuff done inside and get it all processed up. And now we have more broccoli and cauliflower in here. And this is our last bag of peas here. Some of them will need to be shelled because they just got so big from all the rain and different stuff. It was really getting hard to try and keep up with harvesting everything, but we're trying. So some of these here will get shelled. And even Tiger likes the cucumbers. Yeah, so you got a cucumber. Oh God, yeah. So these cucumbers here are getting cut up for making dill pickles out of. Typically when they're smaller we do them whole, because these got so large, and like I said, we were trying to keep up with everything. Because these got so large, we are cutting these, and they're going to be put into a dill pickle mix, and we're going to make dill pickles out of them, put them in a bucket and put them in a spare refrigerator that we have. Now you can also can these as dill pickles. You just have to follow the directions on the packs. We get the Mrs. Wages dill pickle mix. That's what we use, and we've been using that for years now, and that's how we do our dill pickles. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.